so we're in kind of the body shop area, which I would call a paint booth. But what do we have going on here right now? We've got some of the parts. I know you've been doing some work.
Yeah, I'm kind of living in this area right now. So I've got a mixed match of all the different pieces that we're dealing with, both interior and exterior. Some of the interior pieces, your glove box door, I just put a coat of epoxy primer on it. We sandblasted it down to bare metal. You always want to put either self-etching primer or epoxy primer on there. The adhesion and corrosion protection is a must. It's little things that you got to do, and it's a lot of tedious work. And then you get into our bigger stuff, the wheel tubs, for example, that we widened 3.5 inches. And you can see where we welded in the other piece in there. The outside's smooth. The inside, we're going to basically, because you're going to be driving the heck out of this truck,
sure.
We're going to actually line it with like a bed liner material on the inside of the inner fenders and the inside of the wheel tubs.
Okay.
You'll never have to worry about it ever again, and it'll be black. It's going to kind of hide. It's fine. So that way, I'm going to just put a seam sealer up and down the weld all the way through, and then we'll roll on the texture over top of it.
And for the folks at home, as far as like the textured coating inside, I mean, price-wise, what are we talking to have kind of peace of mind, right?
Yeah, a gallon is $100
right.
for a gallon, and I could probably do 10 of these,
right.
12 of them. And like I said, for a driver, you don't want to put high quality, with the truck being white especially,
sure.
You're not going to want to clean out the wheel wells and all that stuff. You want something that's durable, that stays black, and
right.
stays clean looking all the time. I'm not a big fan of undercoating the whole body, which we're not, but for the wheel tubs where the tires are kicking up stuff all the time, to me it's a must.